Hi everybody, I'm today working on a 2005 Toyota Mark X to replace the fuel pump, and I'll show you how to replace a fuel pump on Toyota Mark X. So first of all, turn the key off, and then you can remove a few fuel pump relay from here, or you can just disconnect the battery like this, what I did, and put it on the side as long as not touching anything. So like that, and then I'll show you it's in the back rear seat. Under the rear seat, you're just gonna pull out the seat. This is a clip for the seat. Just pull it up, and it will come out. And this is the fuel pump. So it's not a hard job; it's very easy. You need a few tools, and I'll keep you updating on what you really need to disconnect the hip glue, and you can just push it with the thread screwdriver and it will come out sticky glue, so you can put it back on. And you will need a screwdriver and a small ratchet with 8 number socket on it, so they have 3 heaps of bolt on it. So I'll show you that in just a second. So this is how it. Just pull it up with a flat screwdriver, and to do that it should come out, and then put it on the side like that. So this is the switch. What you're going to do is just press it down and the switch will come out like that. So once you get there, now you can see this is the fuel pump. This is on 2 lines, so remove the 2 lines, take a small thread screwdriver and just pull this yellow thing out, and then relax. And same on this one, if you see that, you just put it into it and just take it like that out. So it should be all out like that. And keep it on the side, just remember which way it is up, which way it is down first. Once you do that, just pull that one up, and might have some glue on it, and go in. So after that, we just gonna take these bolts, 6, 7, 8, and once we do that, so the fuel pump will be out. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna use a small ratchet and put it in, and try to undo the tiny bolts. So it's a little rusty, but yeah, we can't do much about it. So if you have a new one, you can just put it on. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, but I recommend use a ratchet because you won't damage the bolt. And this is how is it. So now you can see how I remove the bolt. So the small screws or whatever you call it. Just remember this edge should be on here. This is the cover. Take this cover off and put it on the side. And this is the fuel pump, and the lines just put it on the sides. So when you check it out, just jiggle with it, and it should come out. And once it comes out, they have a fuel line there. As you can see, they went down there. And what you're gonna do is use a big plier and push it, hold it, and move that to the bottom. So once you do that, you just take the pipe, and that's it. So this is how you take out the fuel pump from Toyota Mark X 2005. And the pipeline is there, and the fuel pipe is gonna probably just pick it up, and then you put it back in. So yeah, this is how we remove fuel pump from Toyota Mark X. Now I'm gonna show you how to test the fuel pump if you get it from the breaker and see if this works. Well, I have a 12-size battery. I put 2 wires on it, and it just connected to the top. This is how I done. You can do it better. So what you do, just this should be out and power point. So once you do that, it should, you can hear the noise. The motor is working fine. So yeah, this looks like it's working. So yeah, this is how you check it, and then you can just put it back in the car. So now I'm gonna show you. I'm putting it back in. What you just put it on the side and connect that pipe. Just that, put it in, and that's it. And then once you do it, get the plier and press that click and move it all the way back where it was. So the pipe is back on, and that's it. I put it there. I put the cover back on it, and after that we'll connect the rest. So I remember we told you to keep eye on the cork side, and then everything will be back. So that's what I was talking about. This is the guideline for putting the cover back on. So yep, and then press it down, hold it, and put the screw in it. Try to keep it pushed down on, and the bolt will come out. So once you put 2 bolts in, then you can just leave it, and then put the remaining screws or bolt. So I put 2 bolts on it, and now I'm gonna just try to tie these 2 bolts, screws, and then I can put the rest on it with not holding it. So just easy. Just check it all the screws are lined before you tighten the screws. So the screws are all done, and make sure you check it twice. Once you do that, just put that line in, get the yellow clip, and then you just slide it in, and that should cover secure. And the other one is also there. Just put that one in, and then slide in. So it will lock, and this is how you do it. And once you've done that, check it, goes good, and put the cover back on, like the power line, and check the screw, and that's it. This is how we remove the fuel pump from Toyota Mark X. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thank you.